What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Styles here. My first ever YouTube video. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Hopefully it's not too cringe for y'all. I'm not gonna lie, it's all kind of new to me. This was supposed to be my intro video. Unfortunately, we're kind of on a time crunch. We did get invited to this car content creator meet. As y'all can kind of tell, we are stock. We don't have much done to her, and obviously the last thing you want to do is show up to a car meet for the stock car. Without further ado, I do want to introduce y'all to me. It's my Ford Mustang. It's my Kawasaki Ninja 650. Both my beauties, so you know I did want to introduce y'all to them. This is basically what my page is going to be revolved around. It's going to be just car content, bike content, motivational content, therapy content, whatever you want to categorize it. Hopefully y'all enjoy. I'm going to try to stick to car/motorcycle related content for the most part. We have some unboxing to do. Don't want to do too much talking, as y'all can tell. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, y'all, let's test the magic. Oh. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna be completely honest. We did not record the unboxing. Kind of my fault. I forgot to hit the record button. What I'm gonna do for y'all, I'm gonna do it side to side with both bumpers, and we're gonna see basically the before and after. And hopefully y'all like it, and hopefully it look better to y'all as to me. So we got the GT 500 front bumper here. It's an aftermarket bumper. Got this one online. We got it about $500. It's cheap. Obviously it's unpainted, so we're gonna have to get this painted. So for right now, all I'm gonna do is just kind of compare both bumpers. As y'all can kind of see a little side to side angle. I'm gonna show y'all the difference between both stock front bumper. Obviously y'all can kind of see we got a little bit of damage on that. So that's the reason why I'm replacing it. But that was my excuse on why I wanted to get something different. Y'all can kind of see it's girthy. It's a fat bumper. You know, wasn't a perfect fit. I'm not gonna lie, that process was insane. But it's alright. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll some clips and just that struggle of me trying to even get this thing on. Gotta put the splash guard back on. So because it's my first time, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been real vocal about everything. But as of right now, we got the GT 500 bumper on the car. We got the screws put back on the side. We got the cover on the side, the hood latch cover. The bumper is attached. We'll finally get it screwed on to the quarter panel. And the only thing we need is the splash guard so that the bumper don't go flying on us. Yeah, as y'all can kind of tell, I may or may not have taken a little too long to get this done. But besides all that, I was finally able to get them. We got the lights installed, we got the front bumper installed. Took me a while, but you got the white LED, then you got your orange. So you definitely see that difference. I am gonna finish putting this bumper on. Like I said, unfortunately, I did forget to do the unboxing on the front bumper. But it's alright. I'm gonna show y'all the aftermath when I finish. Hopefully by tomorrow morning, we have everything ready. I mean, we had a day and a half, so it's already kind of cold. It's nighttime, so I'm gonna finish this in the morning. Man, I got some stuff for y'all this year, so stay tuned. We'll be back with y'all tomorrow, so stay tuned to tomorrow. Peace.